The upcoming August 30th full moon will be a blue full moon. But what exactly is a blue moon? There are several different definitions. A seasonal blue moon is the third full moon of an astrological season that has 4 full moons. A monthly blue moon is the second full moon in a calendar month that has 2 full moons. And some consider the second full moon in the same sign as a blue moon. The upcoming full moon is considered a blue moon because it will be the second full moon during the month of August. The full moon on August 22nd in 2022 was a blue moon because it was the third of 4 full moons between the summer solstice and the autumnal equinox, while the October 31st full moon in 2020 was called a blue moon because it was the second of 2 full moons in a calendar month. How can all of them be considered blue moons? The answer stems from the nature of folklore in general. It is somewhat subject to interpretation, but everyone loves the idea of a blue moon. The August 30th full moon will also be a supermoon. A supermoon may seem slightly larger than usual. Astronomically, a supermoon is within 90% of its closest approach to Earth. While there will be a series of supermoons, the August 30th will be the closest. The moon in the water sign of Pisces is opposite the sun in the earth sign of Virgo. The moon in Pisces tends to absorb the emotional energy of those around it, especially the negative energy. During this transit, clear and release negative energy more diligently. It may be difficult to distinguish your own emotions from those you've absorbed from others. The loose conjunction with Saturn in Pisces will attempt to bring structure and form to this emotional Piscean energy. After all, Saturn rules the earth sign of Capricorn, so it tends to be more grounded in the physical. The sun in the earth sign of Virgo is not the most comfortable placement for the luminary. The sun will try to identify itself in Virgo through service to others. This mixture of the individuality of the sun with the service-oriented focus of Virgo is challenging. The opposition of the moon in Pisces with the sun in Virgo is the axis of spirit, represented by Pisces, with matter, represented by Virgo. It deals with balancing the vision, spirituality, and formlessness of Pisces with the day-to-day routines, physical health, and order of Virgo. Saturn in Pisces may assist by bringing more structure into the equation. The most effective way to use these very oppositional energies is to compassionately focus on the physical issues that need to be addressed, while maintaining a bit of emotional distance from the situation. This full moon will most affect people born with personal planets and points at approximately 4 to 10 degrees of the mutable signs Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. Venus in the fire sign of Leo is square Jupiter in the earth sign of Taurus. Venus and Jupiter are both considered benefic planets and are said to bring good fortune. Jupiter, known as the planet of luck, brings gifts and blessings. While a square is often considered a negative aspect, when coupled with Jupiter, there is still a favorable outcome. And since Jupiter is involved, this transit is more favorable for finances. Venus supports your interpersonal relationships. You will feel contented and benevolent during this transit. You'll feel more at peace with the world. It is also a good time to get together with friends and have fun. Time for a little R&R. In this chart, Neptune in the water sign of Pisces is sextile Pluto in the Earth sign of Capricorn. In a sextile, the two planets involved must learn to cooperate with each other. Unlike a trine, an effort must be made for this to happen, but the outcome will be favorable when they can accomplish it. Neptune in Pisces sextile Pluto in Capricorn is a longer-term aspect. Supporting the theme of the full moon, it activates the compassionate nature of Neptune in Pisces along with the pragmatic transformative energy of Pluto in Capricorn. By using the two planets together, you will have the best opportunity of achieving both your spiritual and physical goals. Pluto in Capricorn is still square the lunar nodes in Aries and Libra. It will continue attempting to distract humankind away from their work on personal soul growth. And being Pluto, elements of that influence can be very dark and dangerous. Try to stay focused on the North Node in Aries that is now focused on self-identity. The evolutionary goal for mankind for the next 18 months is to seek and understand your true self. In summary, the upcoming August 30th full moon will be both a blue moon and the closest supermoon for this year. The moon in Pisces will be in opposition to the sun in Virgo. The overall theme for this blue moon in the Pisces-Virgo axis will be maintaining the balance of spirit, represented by Pisces, and matter, represented by Virgo. The moon in Pisces tends to absorb the emotional energy of those around it, so it may be difficult to distinguish your own emotions from those you've absorbed from others. The loose connection with Saturn in Pisces will attempt to bring structure and form to this emotional Piscean energy. The sun in Virgo will try to identify itself through service to others. This mixture of the individuality of the sun with the service-oriented focus of Virgo is challenging for the luminary. The most effective way to use these oppositional energies is to compassionately focus on the physical issues that need to be addressed while maintaining a bit of emotional distance from the situation. Venus in Leo is square Jupiter in Taurus. Jupiter, known as the planet of luck, brings gifts and blessings. With Jupiter involved, this transit is more favorable for finances. With Venus, it is also a good time to get together with friends and have fun. Time for a little R&R. Neptune sextile Pluto is a longer-term aspect. Supporting the theme of the full moon, it activates the compassionate nature of Neptune in Pisces, along with the pragmatic transformative energy of Pluto in Capricorn. With this aspect, you will have the best opportunity for achieving your goals from both a spiritual and physical perspective. Thank you for watching. If you would like to be notified of future videos, please subscribe and click the notify bell icon so you'll know when new videos come out. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the thumbs up icon.